Good morning, everyone. So today we are here with the next chapter in GK, that is chapter number 13, dangerous plants. Okay, so in the previous chapter we studied about useful plants, how some plants are useful to us in our day-to-day life. But apart from useful plant, there are some plants which are dangerous. Okay, and some of the dangerous plants are given in this chapter. So let's see how are they dangerous. So the very first question is, every part of the deadly dash is very poisonous. Its berry can even kill a human being. So which plant is that whose berry is also very poisonous? So the first answer will be nightshade. NIGHT, night, SHADE, nightshade. Okay, so let me just remind you people again that please hold a pencil and you can write down the answers on the spot. Okay, now let's come to the second question. Second question is, in the 15th century, women would drop extracts of deadly nightshade in their eyes to make them widen attractively, yearning in the name. Okay, so what was the name given to it? So the name was given belladonna, BELLADONNA. So the answer is belladonna. Now come to the third question. The dash bears pretty black and red seeds. These seeds are used to make bracelets. Eating even a single seed can cause death. So just imagine what kind of deadly plant is it. So the name of this plant is rosary pea. ROSARY. Rosary pea. PEA. Rosary pea is the answer of question number 3. Now let's come to question number 4. When the juice of dash is poured into the ear. ओके जब हम इस प्लांट का जो जूस है ईयर में डालते हैं तो व्हाट डज इट कॉजेज? इट कॉजेज delirium, hallucination and even death. Okay, so what is the name of this deadly plant, children? The name of the deadly plant is henbane. HENBANE. It's written as BANE, but it's not pronounced as bane. It will pronounce it as bean. Okay, henbane. Understood? Now let's move to the question number 5th, that is, some plants are toxic. Toxic means poisonous to eat and some are toxic to touch. There are also plants that create allergic reactions through the air with their dash. So what do they create allergic reactions with? They create allergic reactions with their pollen. POLLEN. So answer of question number 5th will be pollen. Okay. Now let's come to question number 6. Dash is an imperfect fungus that may cause liver damage or even cancer in humans. So which plant is responsible for cancer, children? Aspergillus. The answer of question number 6 will be aspergillus. 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 Okay. Sorry, it's aspergillus. Okay, we all pronounce it as aspergus, aspergillus, but it's not pronounced as aspergillus, but we'll pronounce it as aspergillus. 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 Okay. Now come to question number 7. Some parts of edible plants are poisonous. Dash of potato and dash of apricot are poisonous. So children, we should not eat what part of potato? Leaves. LEAVES. Leaves of potato and dash of apricot. What of apricot? Stone of apricot. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Okay. So we don't pronounce a potato. Okay. So we'll pronounce it as potato. What is it? Potato. Yeah. Now, let's move to question number 9. Sorry, question number 8. When dash is touched, it inflames the skin severely. Inflames मतलब जलाना. Okay? जब इस प्लांट को टच किया जाता है तो ये आपके हाथों को या आपकी स्किन को जला सकता है, जला देता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा जला देता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ दिस प्लांट्स नेम? पॉइजनस आईवी. पॉइजन आईवी. POISON. पॉइजन आईवी. IVY. Okay, now come to question number 9. When the fruit of dash is eaten, it includes paralysis. It was said to be the plant used to kill the Greek philosopher Socrates. So, what is the name of this plant? The name of this plant is hemlock. Okay, so hemlock HEMLOCK, hemlock की जो फ्रूट है, जब अगर कोई खाता है तो उसे क्या हो जाता है? पैरालिसिस हो जाती है. ओके, HEMLOCK, hemlock. Now come to question number 10. Dash is a wine considered to be poisonous. It is named so because it was used in the past to help women in childbirth. Okay, so the name of this plant is birthwort. Okay, BIRTHWORTH, birthwort. Okay, now come to question number 11. It is a plant called dash and is so poisonous that people have been killed by eating meat roasted on its stick. Okay, so just imagine people, if you lick the stick of this plant, okay, then it may cause death of a person. So, what is the name of this plant, children? Oleander. 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 Okay. Now, let's come to question number 12. Crow foods such as dash and hellebore are poisonous. So, the answer will be aconite. 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 Okay, as you can see the picture of aconite to your left hand side, yellow color flower. Okay, so this is the picture of aconite. Now, come to question number 13. Spurs such as castor oil and dash are poisonous. तो castor oil के साथ साथ कौन सा plant poisonous होता है? Croton. 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 Okay. Now, come to the last question, that is question number 14. Several useful drugs are poisons extracted from plants such as dash from poppies and dash from deadly nightshade. तो कौन कौन से ड्रग्स जो है वो बनाए जाते हैं पॉपी से और नाइट शेड से? एट्रोपीन एंड मॉर्फिन. तो मॉर्फिन एंड एट्रोपीन आर द नेम्स ऑफ ड्रग्स which are extracted from plants. And from which plants are they extracted? So atropine is extracted from poppies, okay, and morphine is extracted from nightshade. You have already read that nightshade is a poisonous plant whose its berry can even kill a human being. Okay, so these were the dangerous plants. Okay, there are useful plants at the same on the same hand. There are two types of plants, for useful as well as dangerous plants. Okay, now about 75 kinds of mushrooms are toxic to humans. They are called toadstools. They include destroying angels, death caps and fly agarics. Okay, So go through this chapter, learn, write the answers of these questions and learn it thoroughly, learn it by heart, so that you can answer these questions, which will come in the exam. Okay, so that's all for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe and study at the same time, and please do not trouble your parents. Clear, children? Thank you.